The guest journey is so long, so a lot of things can go wrong. And if the tiny little bit goes wrong, then you get a bad review. And if you do have a bad review, you get less bookings. Hi, my name is Nadja, and I'm the co-founder and CPO of Rumekun. The reason why we actually founded Rumekun was to serve an own need. I took a leap of faith and I bought a small, beautiful boutique hotel in the Netherlands, about an hour away from Amsterdam. Well, that journey obviously came with some hurdles, and I'm super thrilled to take you along, share with you everything that I have learned during my 8 years of running a small, luxurious boutique hotel. When I took over the Bliss Hotel, reviews were obviously quite important. Reviews is more or less your currency to get bookings. Unfortunately, when I took it over and the state the hotel was in terms of maintenance, the reviews were really, really bad. So, not in terms of how the room size was or the service was, it was really about the maintenance. So then we needed to work on this. And yeah, we did, again, by over-servicing our guests, and slowly the reviews really started to climb. And in the end, I think when we started it was on a 6 point something, and at the end, just before I sold it, we were on a 9.7. So maybe something in terms of reviews that you should be aware of. Obviously, we do everything for reviews. It's almost already bad, right? All of the guest journey is so long, so a lot of things can go wrong. And if the tiny little bit goes wrong, then you get a bad review. And if you do have a bad review, you get less bookings. So having these reviews is so incredibly powerful that it also drives the daily operations a lot. Also in a negative way. Mind some guests take it as leverage as well. So they would threaten you with giving you a bad review if you, for instance, don't give them a discount on their stay. You have to learn how to deal with this, and also say no, because it is crazy, right? I mean, it is still your business, it is still your baby. You still stand for what you believe in yourself, and don't let people pressure you with giving you a bad review. I think the most important lesson that I've learned from guest reviews is that it is a conversation. So answer reviews. Because if people also see that you're engaging with them or with other reviews, they are much less likely to leave a bad review, because they feel like there is, they have to at least, answer to the answer that you are giving them. So I think that is something you should do. Invest some time in that. It takes you maybe 5 minutes a day to answer your reviews. Again, I think a review is an important guideline. Guests understand that if you have 10 good reviews and 1 bad one, this person maybe just had a bad day. It's possible. So just think about it, how you would make the judgment yourself when you're booking on booking.com, for example. And then another important lesson is that the reviews are not only driving more bookings, they're driving more direct bookings as well. So even though if you have your reviews on the booking channels, people or guests often filter not on amenities or on what you have or the price. Often they are filtering on the reviews that you are having. If you're then sticking up on top, then often guests go to the website itself to book directly in the hope for maybe a better price or a package deal.